American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a buttercream pride castle. This is a request from a friend of mine for a birthday cake, and she asked for a surprise. But I happen to know that she is a big fan of Swiss meringue buttercream and really loves lots of buttercream. So I thought I'd make a specially buttercreamy castle cake. So let's get started.
I made half a recipe of vegan chocolate cake in a 6-inch square pan. I cut the cake in half and stacked them in the middle of the cake board. Then I filled and frosted the cake with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. I chilled the cake in the fridge. While the cake was chilling, I rolled out some white fondant. I cut out 2 circles and cut each circle in half. And I cut out 1 larger rectangle. Then, using a paint palette I use only for baking, and added water to each compartment. Then I put a bit of food coloring in the middle so I could add it slowly to the water. Then I painted the water and food coloring to create 4 rainbows and a pride flag. Then I frosted the cake again. And I cleaned up the cake board. I placed the pride flag on the flat part of the cake and the rainbows around the outside of the cake. Then I piped absolute mountains of buttercream on top of the cake. I had to redo one because it tipped over. I piped a shell border along the bottom of the cake. Then I piped a roped border around the pride flag and below the rainbows. And I piped some flourishes on the top edge of the cake. And I added a few small touches to finish off the cake. I think this cake, while being a very lovely symbol of pride, also looks absolutely delicious, perfect for the fan of buttercream. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.